Hello, welcome to today's vlog. It's me and Matthew, the normal dream team at the moment, and it's Friday the 21st of March. Got 17 cleans, bit of driving. I'm out to a place called Hull Beach, and then it's Long Sutton, Sutton Bridge and Tidcoat on the way home. So will we do it? Who knows? The weather, it's a bit overcast, cooler, and the wind's got up, but it should be underneath my 30-mile-an-hour limit, so should be all right, but who knows? The weather's the weather. Follow along. That's 2 properties done. We've got like one house, there's a gap where there's someone else we don't clean, then the next house we do. Matthew does one, I do the other, both got conservatories. Matthew finishes slightly before me, so he helped me out on this one. And all we've got to do now is drive 1 minute, and then we've got 2 bungalows side by side. Another month, there'll be 3 bungalows side by side. It's just that some of them are 4 weeks, some of them 8. So it's lovely when it works out like that. Right, so 2 bungalows done side by side again. Matthew done one, I done the other, and all paid. So that's us off now. We've got 2 more left to do in Whole Beach, and then that'll be 6 cleans done and the Whole Beach area all closed down. Just had a look at the weather because I've took my buffalo off because it's starting to feel like it's getting a lot warmer quick. Should be about 17 degrees today at the highest. We've got possible gusts up to 28 miles an hour, but the wind will mainly be around 15, so should be fine to work today, please. And yeah, should be a good day. Gone 10:30, that's Whole Beach done. Me and Matthew are now heading off to Long Sutton where we've got 8 cleans. We're going to do one house first, it's a small house. Then we're going to move to another area where we'll park the van up but get the next 7 cleans done from there. It's an old school building. It's converted into about 6 flats and we clean 4 of them. So Matthew will do those and I'll be cleaning next door to that. Some 3 houses all side by side, Admiralty ones. And it's monster house, so my arm's going to ache. Going to have to use a 35-foot pole. I'll clean the top ones at the front, I'll leave the rest for Matthew, and then I concentrate on all the back ones. Matthew will come out with his 25-foot pole once he's done the school, and then we kind of like just help each other out towards the end, and that's how we get it done. It doesn't take too long, luckily it's handy with 2 of us working that way. On my own it'll take a lot longer, so hopefully it's not going to be too windy because it can get gusty there, and with me pole 35 foot up it can be quite hard work, but I think we'll be all right. It's pretty still, sun's out, so hopefully that'll make my arms ache less, who knows, find out. Okay, we just finished all the ones in Long Sutton. I'm now going to do an 8-minute drive to get to the next two side by side in Sutton Bridge. And yeah, did those big 3 houses, but one of them ended up is skipping because I've got a lot of work going on around the back, and didn't get the pass message on for some reason, but it doesn't matter. It means it saves me arms. So I did 2 out of the 3, and we had cleaned some of the windows on that one that skipped, but no dramas. So they're done, and as luck would have it, the gust decided to get up when you're on the top window, so that made it a bit fun, as you can probably tell in some of the footage. But they're all done and dusted anyway. So yeah, 3 cleans left for the day. See how we get on. And these 2 we're going to in Sutton Bridge. One of them's going to be a go over on the conservatory roof. It's polycarbonate, it's not too bad, so it's just a touch up. That's it, it's us finished, back at home now. Me and Matthew finished for the day. Didn't get much footage on the last couple of cleans because I just concentrated on getting the conservatory roof done. It wasn't a hard conservatory roof to clean. It's polycarbonate, and I've cleaned it sort of on and off through the year anyway, so it's just getting it ready for summer really. And then Matthew's cleaning the next door neighbour while I started on the roof, and then we teamed up on the house at the end. And then we just went off to get the last one done, had a chat with them. So yeah, that's today done. My arms aren't too bad after doing them beastie houses. Must be because that one skipped. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. It helps me out, and YouTube will stick a video up for you to watch next. See you on the next one. Stay safe.